Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing something a little different. This is gonna be called Cooking with Jenny, but for my first Cooking with Jenny, I have a special guest, and if you could hear some giggles, well, that's them in the background. So I'd like to welcome one of my favorite little persons. Everybody meet Natalie. So, tell them what we're doing, Natalie.
We're gonna make brownies, and if you want to make this, you could use any type of brownie mixture, and if you want, you could add Reese's Pieces. We're adding that.
We are not gonna make them from scratch. We don't have time for that, so we just bought this one. It's a Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix, family size. All right, guys, and then the stuff we're gonna use is a bowl to mix the stuff in. And then show them the measuring cups.
So we're gonna use
some measuring cups,
like at least 2, and then 2 eggs, and
yes, 2 eggs, and then we also need the pan. We want to go get pan because I didn't have any, and I pulled out, my mixing thing just
and
so it could be easier for us.
We have these 2 for that.
All right, guys, so let's get started. I think I'm gonna bring you guys down, that way you guys actually see what's going on in here. And give us one quick second to go make sure our hands are nice and washed. All right, guys, so I'm looking at this and I'm gonna start preheating the oven. So I'm gonna heat it up at 350 degrees.
Make sure you have adult supervision for someone who's like a teenager.
Alright guys, so it says on here that we need 2 eggs, which Natalie just got, so she's going to go ahead and crack them and put them in here. Oh, alright, and I'll put the shells over here. Here,
right here.
There you go.
I'm going to go wash my hands.
Alright, yeah, run back to the bathroom and wash your hands, and I'm going to do the other part. Alright, now we're going to use 1/4 of a cup, and I'm going to put some water in that. There we go, there's 1/4 of a cup. Next thing I'm going to do is, no, I'm not on Instagram. No. No, I'm still recording. Alright guys, we're going to be using this oil.
Make sure you don't use it if you're under.
Just make sure you don't use it if you're going to spill it.
Don't use it if you're under 10.
Alright, well, I'm going to pour it in.
Actually, if you're under 13. If you're under 13.
Okay.
When you turn into a teenager, like 13, when you hear the teens, if you turn 13, then you're a teenager and you could do it. She's not even a teenager. She's an adult.
Yeah.
She's a young adult though. She's in her 20s.
In case y'all didn't know, 21. Gang, gang, gang.
Wait, 8.
What? Okay, here, hold this.
I'm younger than her.
Hold this. I'm going to pour it in there. All right, guys.
So 12 is not a teenager. When you hear your teens is when you're a teenager.
Go ahead and pour. All right, and then I need to do one more.
By the way, my cousin who's annoying, Leo, I think you heard him in the intro. He's annoying.
We're going to use a whisk first. Now don't go in too hard. Go in softly.
So you're going to want to go in softly.
Right. Meanwhile, I'm going to get this thing opened.
As you can see, this looks like egg just took over. Hashtag egg just took over brownie mix.
Alright, and now while Natalie's stirring, I'm going to start pouring some of this in there. Yeah, I'm going to start pouring in slowly.
Oh, look at that brownie mix. Alright, now it's instead of egg taking over, it's now chocolate taking over. Actually, brownie mix taking over. This looks like very much pure chocolate. As you can see. Okay. This is super dirty. Shout out to Gabby. What's her last name?
Arevalo?
Arevalo. Alright, so shout out to everyone who's my family.
So you're only gonna give Gabby a shout out? What about the rest of our family?
Yeah, the rest. But not adults. Just kids.
Realty.
So if you're an adult, you're not getting a shout out. The only people who are getting a shout out is my dad, my Tia Leo, and my Tia Gris. That are adults.
What about your mom?
Fine, my mom.
You heard that, Tia?
I think smells so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this smells amazing.
So-
If only you guys were here to smell it. All right, go ahead, Natalie. You tell them what else we're gonna add into
So
this.
after this, we're gonna add in. Sorry, I just forgot.
No, this is it, girl. After this, we could add it in the pan.
After this, we're gonna wait. No, but we need to add this.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So after we're finished with she's finished mixing it, we're gonna add in this Reese's Pieces. I love Reese's Pieces. It's me and my dad's favorite candy. Shout out to my dad, Gabby, my Tia Love, my Tia Grace, my mom. So Gabby, Junior, Jenny, Leo, me. Do I have other cousins? Okay, let me start over about the cousin thing. Alright, so I'm gonna do the cousins also. Wait, the other one does 4 kids. So shout out to Cesar, Cesar, Xioe, Gabby, Junior, and my Tia lost 2 kids. So Jenny and Leo, shout out, and shout out to me. You saw nothing.
Natalie, scoot over it, girl. All right, guys, I'm going in with this now just to give it a good mix.
Oh, if you guys don't like Reese's Pieces, you guys are mean and lame. No, I'm just kidding. You guys are so awesome. So as you guys could see, it's like a tornado. It's like a tornado happening in there because like when she mixes it, it's like a tornado going, instead of going up, it's going down. Actually, it's going up and down.
All right, guys. So now that it's looking
So
pretty
now
smooth.
we're gonna try it.
No, we're not gonna try it. Girl,
We're
that's
not
no,
like
no,
that?
no, that's how you get sick, girl. All right, guys, this is kind of how you want it to look. A nice consistency. We don't really see that many
It looks like slime.
clumps. Yeah, like slime.
Like if it looks like slime, then that means it's perfect.
All right, I'm gonna go
Wait,
in.
this lumps right there.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go in for like another few minutes.
Alright guys, so that's the consistency you want it to look like.
Never gonna press stop. Hey guys, I'm back.
Sorry.
Girlfriend. But
Jenny, your body is way too squishy.
anyways, guys, we took a little break because I had to clean the trays.
Yeah.
Yes, because we don't want to big germs on them.
Yeah.
So now
Because lots of people touch it, so if we just added it without washing it, it'll make us eat other people's germs, and we don't want to do that.
all right, guys. So I already dried off the pans. Ooh. Yeah.
Pan for one person.
Oh, Natalie, you gotta pose for the what is it called? Like the little picture that they have at the beginning of the video. Here, we're gonna pose for it. That way, this could be like the picture they see when they click on the video. You're gonna hold this and you're gonna go. Ready? Hold on. You're gonna hold this one. And you're gonna hold the box. And I'm gonna go like this because we're gonna be baking.
Could I also hold this and you hold that?
Yeah, here.
You could hold this too.
All right, and then just real quick. Cool.
Wait, but how's that gonna show in the beginning?
You'll see. I'll edit that.
Okay.
Alright guys, I'm taking some Pam and I'm going to be spraying the pans
I thought I said
first.
Pam.
No, silly. And now I'm going to have Natalie hold this one. You're going to hold that pen while I pour the other one. Hmm? Not yet.
If I do it 3 times, then I am.
If I have 3 million subscribers, then you will be famous.
Do you have 2 million subscribers?
No, I have like 10
10?
subscribers. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, because she only has like 10.
And Natalie wants to be famous, so. Alright guys, now this is a part where how Natalie said earlier that you guys need adult supervision. So for this part, I'm going to go ahead and open the oven and put our brownies in there. So be careful, Natalie.
Yes.
Alright guys, I'm putting it on top of a like steel tray.
It doesn't matter which type of tray it is. It just has to be a tray.
That way it's not as flimsy when I'm putting it in and I don't spill anything. It's in there and I'm gonna start baking.
Alright guys, so now what we're gonna be doing is doing my hair because it's a hot mess right now.
Alright guys, I'm back. I took the brownies out of the oven. They're ready. While they cool down, I'm gonna go do Natalie's hair again.
Hey guys, we just finished baking the
brownies?
Well, the brownies, yeah.
Alright.
They were on here, and they were cooling off. We went upstairs and
To do your hair?
she did my hair.
Look at it, turn around, Natalie. Ooh, I did two colitas. But anyways, guys.
Yeah,
I'm
but
gonna-
half of this is a French braid and then half is a ponytail.
Yes. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have Natalie hold the camera while I go ahead and cut this.
So guys, this looks really good.
And it smells
I'm
amazing.
I wish you guys could smell it because it smells so good. Right?
Yes. Ooh, look at that crispy top.
Tell me if you guys like crispy brownies. If you don't, that's fine. We're all different.
We don't discriminate here, huh, Natalie?
No.
Let's see. Let's taste a little bit. Ah. Yum. Well, guys, it's getting real messy now.
It's getting really good. It tastes really good, right?
Uh-huh. All right, guys, we're going to do a quick little taste test. Ready, Natalie?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Give this video a big thumbs up because this is a big thumbs up.
This brownie is so good, guys. Like, it's nice and crispy on the top and super moist on the inside. Oh my God, we did so good.
I
You
wish
want
you
your
could
milk?
taste this.
No? Okay.
I wish you guys could taste this.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Pillsbury, what is this? Brownie mix is where it's at, guys. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Natalie, meeting Natalie. For those that did not know her, one of my favorite little girls, and
her dad is my favorite uncle, and I'm his favorite niece.
oh my God, oh Natalie. But anyways, that may not be true, Natalie. Dad likes everybody evenly, but make sure you guys.
Favorite niece.
Oh my God. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to see.
Turn on the notification bell so you will never miss one of our new videos.
Yes. And let me know down below if you guys want to see Natalie on my channel more often. And we might just make it happen. Peace.